So I've always wanted to accurately recreate a David Mann painting, and if you saw one of my previous videos, I kind of did that. But today, we're gonna fucking nail that shit. The clouds look perfect today. This is gonna be fucking cool, dude. I can already fucking tell you. We gotta go stop and grab some beer for the photo shoot. As a prop. No drinking and riding, boys. No drinking and riding. What's up, homie? I am making a video. I got a little bit of you in it. Don't worry, you look good. Come on, man. Should we do Budweiser or PBR? Budweiser. I think that's a good choice. Tall boys or shorties? Tall boys. Tall boys it is. I don't know what I'd do without you.
You just be fine.
I don't know if I do okay. All right, tall boys it is.
Tall boys it is. You killed it?
I ain't killed it. What? What are you talking about? Hold on. I gotta. There we go. All right, homie. I'll see you later.
See you later, homie.
Peace out, Girl Scout. So we're at the meetup spot, but I don't actually know where in this location is gonna be a good spot for the shot itself. So stand by. She's on the way. Hopefully she'll be here on time, but she's a woman. Not betting on it. And see you here shortly. What's up? How are you?
Good, it's good to see you.
It's good to see you too. I'm thinking we'll head that way first. If that's a bust, we'll head back the other way and we'll just until we find a spot where it's a little more private, and hopefully I can get my bike too. That's the other back there.
Does it follow you?
I guess probably the easiest way, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I can pull these up either way.
Shorter's always better. Go shorter.
So she's like looking down. Okay.
Yeah, she's looking at the book.
Okay.
Definitely.
I look like one more time.
What you look like? Yeah, 1 second. Look pretty good. You need more of a 45 though.
I know, I feel like it's like that.
A little bit more of a
like
40.
Like,
I mean, that's almost the exact shot. You know what though? Don't worry about that. I might just fuck with that in post. Hold on, let's look at this real quick. We might actually call this pretty good. And that's gonna be a wrap on this photo shoot. I know we didn't get a lot of different pictures like you guys are used to. Don't complain. I don't want to fucking hear it. But our entire goal was to recreate one photo. And I don't even know if we did that yet. I haven't gone into the computer, checked out in post. So you guys tell me, did I nail it? Did I hit the mark? Or did I fumble? Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe if you like motorcycles. Subscribe if you like photography. Subscribe if you like lakes and females, whatever it is. Fucking subscribe, home skillet. And I will see you on the next one.